Hello, dear student. Let's continue solving problems related to natural numbers. Let's take a look at our first question. AB and BA are two-digit natural numbers. If the difference between these natural numbers is 36, how many different values can AB take? Notice that the expression two-digit is used in the question again. In this case, we should immediately think about the analysis. Now, I'm writing the question here. AB minus BA equals 36. Now pay attention to this. When I solve this, I'm writing 10A plus B. When I solve this, if you write 10B plus A, it would be incorrect. You need to pay attention to the minus sign. Minus. It is always distributed to the right. It shouldn't be minus 10B plus A, it should be minus A. You need to pay attention to this. Equals 36. Now, there are 10 A's here. So there is 1 A here. From 10 A's, 1 A came out, 9 A's. Again, in the same way, there is 1 B here. Here, there are 10 B's. Look, you are subtracting 10 B's from 1 B. So you are subtracting the minority from the majority. That's why it will be negative. 9B equals 36. Now, there are 9 as a factor here, 9 here, and 9 here as well. So you can write it like this. You can write 9 times a minus, 9 times B equals 9 times 4. Look, there are 3 pieces here. 1, 2, 3. There are 9 in each piece. That's why you can simply take away the 9's. You can do it like this briefly. From here, a minus B equals, it will be 4. A and B are both digits. How we understand? Because it says A is a two-digit number for B. Two-digit numbers are made up of digits. If it's a digit, it can't be more than 9. So, in the expression, a minus B equals 4. What digit values can I assign to A and B? A mistake made by the students. Writing 4 here and 0 here. However, the digit B cannot take the value of 0. Why? Because the digit B cannot be at the front of the number. It can't be 0. We can't take this. So, the difference between 5 and 1 gives you 4. The difference between 6 and 2, 7 and 3, 8 and 4, and 9 and 5 gives me 4. Don't write 10 here, because A1 is a digit. It doesn't go beyond 9. In this case, it asks us how many values AB can take. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 different D's. The correct answer is option B. We're moving on to the next question. Now, AB and BA are two-digit natural numbers. X to us. X equals AB plus 4 times A and Y equals BA plus 4 times B. It says, how many times is X plus Y equal to a plus B? Now, pay attention to the question. The question involves the sum of X and Y and the sum of a plus B. I'm literally going to add this up like this. This way, I'm accessing X plus Y. I'm writing it like this while adding here. Look at AB. Because this is a two-digit number. Plus B. Yes, plus 4A, 4B, 4 times a plus, 4 times B. Now, we're continuing. This is a two-digit number. This is also a two-digit number. Then we will analyze it. How many A's are there here? You won't say 1A. This is the tens place. A is here. Here is 1A. So that's 11A. Plus, is there 1B? Here is B. is here. Plus 4 times A is 4A, and 4 times B is 4B. Never forget this. After the analysis is done, indeed, this 11A and 11B, just like the 4 here, are the multipliers here as well. 11 A's, that makes 4 A's for you. 15 A's. Again, there are 15 B's. Here we have X plus Y. Now, pay attention to this. Both here and here, the 15s are common. Since they are very frequently occurring, I'm factoring them out. Here we have A, and here we have B left. Here we have X plus Y. Now, when we look at the question, it asked how many times the sum of X plus Y is equal to the sum of A plus B. To say times means to multiply. So we say it's equal to 15 times. The correct answer is option D. The shape question is indeed easier. We're listening carefully. Look at the way he has given us. He's adding the numbers here and taking the square of it. Then he takes the difference of the square of the number here. We will also add these up all. We're adding 3 plus 4. The square minus the square of the number here. It's that simple. This is the square of 7 minus the square of 5. The square of 7 is 49. 49. This is 25. When we subtract 25 from 49, we will find the result to be 24. The correct answer is option E. Now, let's take a look at this question. Let's read the question carefully. AB and BA are both two-digit natural numbers. If their sum is 154, what is the value of AB? In bringing the question here, AB plus BA equals 154. Now, he said it's a two-digit number. I'm immediately thinking about how to solve it. How many A's are there here? There are 10. Here, there is 1. Then B, 1B, B equals. Let's come here now. Attention. In this number 154, the sum of 1 and 5 gives us 5. And the sum of 1 and 4 also gives us 5. So this number, it's the product of 11 and 14. I had shown this before. I simply wrote it as 11 times 14. Because how do I multiply 11 by 14? Watch. 1 at the beginning, 4 at the end, the sum of 1 and 4 in the middle. So, the product of 11 and 14 is 154 in a shortcut. Now, this is the product of 11 and A, the product of 11 and B, and the product of 11 and 14. They all have 11 in common. That's why I'm simplifying the 11s. I'm finding the sum of A plus B to be 14s. The correct answer is option D. In this question, I'm going to give you some really nice information. First read question. ABC is a 3-digit number and BC is a 2-digit number. If the number ABC is 21 times, the number BC, how many times is BC? The number A. Now, first I want to show you this. Let's say we're given the number 576. When it says to analyze this, you can break it down like this, right? 5 times 100 plus 7 times 10 plus 6 times 1. But you can also break it down like this. Look, you can write 5 times 100 plus the 10 and 1 here as a 2-digit number without breaking it down. Now, when we apply this to ABC, I can write it as A times 100 plus BC, which is the 2-digit number. Now, when we look at the question, the number ABC is 21 times the number BC. To say kata means to multiply. Now pay attention. At the same time, the multiple shows the number of this number, so BC. It means there are exactly 21 of the two-digit number. When I want to analyze this part, I can break it down like this. If I break it down as 100 times the plus BC, here you can see that there are 21 BCs. Here there is 1 BC. Here there are 21 BCs. So when I move this to this side, it is referred to as minus BC. 100 times A equals, when I go from 21 BCs to 1 BC, I end up with 20 BCs, which gives me the two-digit number. In this case, when I simplify 20 and 100, dividing by 20 gives me 1. Divide by 20 gives 5. 1 is ineffective as a factor. This also gives a two-digit number BC. This also gives us 5 times A. What did he ask? He asked how many times the two-digit number BC is compared to A. It means a solid factor. The correct answer is option D. Let's move on to our next question. In this question, let's pay attention to the signs. First, let's take a look at our question. When the number AB, which is a two-digit number, has A plus B minus C subtracted from it, 42 is obtained. Accordingly, what is the two-digit number AC? Pay close attention to the question. You're paying attention to the number AB. Look here. From the number AB, A plus B minus C will be subtracted. We will perform a subtraction. If we're to perform a subtraction, we've placed the negative sign. You need to pay attention to this. Writing the expressions you subtract in parentheses will make the task more accurate. This result is equal to 42. Now, since this is a two-digit number, we can analyze it. Then A plus B. And I'm removing the parentheses here. Why? Because there is nothing in front of it. But pay attention to this. The negative sign here always has to distribute to the right. We multiply by negative A. Negative A. We multiply by negative B. Negative B. When we multiply by negative C, it becomes positive C. Because product of negative and negative is positive. And the parentheses will be removed. Equals 42. Paying attention. Plus B and minus B canceled each other out. From 10A, 1A is gone. 9A plus C equals, indeed. It became 42. So what we understand from here is that after multiplying 9 by A and then adding C, the result became 42. Now, I wonder how much I can give to this A number. I want to get close to 42. If I think it's 5, then 5 times 9 equals 45. Past 42. So if I think it's 4, then 4 times 9 equals 36. When I give 6 to this, 4 times 9 equals 36. Adding 6 gives me the result of 42. So, what do I get? The number AC as the number A is 4 and the number C is 6. So I get the number AC as 46. I say the correct answer is option C. In the next lesson, looking to seeing you. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow.